If it's time to order your next car on the Motability Scheme, sign into your online account and go to New Car Application, and then check you can have another lease. First, we'll show you some important information that you need to read and accept. Then, we'll let you know what information you'll need to hand, which is usually your allowance letter. You'll need to double-check your personal details are still correct. You can update your address or contact numbers if these have changed. We'll then show what allowance you currently receive according to our records. If you receive disability living allowance, personal independence payment, or adult or child disability payment, we can now check the details of your allowance with your allowance provider through your online account. You'll need to consent to us doing this, but if you're happy for us to check your details, you'll get an instant result as to whether you can order your next car on the scheme. From here, you can continue your online application before visiting a dealer to finalise your order.